It's lit. Welcome back to another episode of Whip It Up with Jay. Today we are going to be making the Travis Scott meal. Yes, the brand new sandwich they got at McDonald's. Well, the kind of brand new. It's kind of like a remix of some ingredients they already got. But nevertheless, we about to get up in the kitchen and make this delicious, juicy sandwich. You know what I'm saying? And you cannot forget the Sprite. You cannot forget the barbecue sauce for the dipping your darn French fries. Man, this sandwich tastes so good. I can't wait for you guys to try it out. Why go to Mickey D's when you can stay at home and make it 10 times better in the comfort of your own kitchen, guys? Stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and let's get going. All right, guys, we're gonna start with some ground beef, of course. And the ground beef I'm using today has about 20% fat. And what we're gonna do is just shape this into a patty. And guys, in the comments below, let me know if you have tried the Travis Scott burger at McDonald's. If so, what do you think about this sandwich? So once we're done shaping this ground beef into a patty, I'm just gonna sprinkle some salt. I'm gonna sprinkle some pepper. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder. And we're gonna flip it over and do the same exact thing to the opposite side of the patty. And once we have all that seasoned together, I'm gonna put it to the side for now and get some bacon going. Get some bacon sizzling. Get that bacon crispy. We don't want no flabby bacon on our sandwich, guys. We need that crispy. Look at that thing sizzle. I can't get enough of bacon. I don't know about you, but bacon on everything. Next, we're gonna move on to our sesame seed bun. We're gonna butter that thing up real good, slap it on the pan at about a medium high, and we're gonna get that bread nice and golden brown. We do not want our bread turning soggy once we add all our condiments and all that stuff. We need that bread nice and toasted. Look at that thing. All right, afterwards, we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of olive oil onto our pan, and we gonna slap that big old burger patty on that thing and let it cook real good for about, I would say, 5 to 6 minutes on each side until both of the sides look as good as this one does. All right, and guys, don't be mad at me. I forgot to melt the cheese, but don't worry, I have a plan. We're gonna stack up our cheese right here for you guys, and we're gonna actually place this into the oven just for a little bit for it to melt, and voila, there you go, melted cheese. And it is now assembly time. Of course, we're gonna add our crispy bacon onto that thing. Next, we gotta add our pickles. You can't leave out the pickles. Gotta love that little acidity those pickles add to your dish. We're gonna add our white onions. We're gonna add our shredded lettuce. We're gonna add that mustard to the bun. Don't forget the ketchup. Gotta add the ketchup too. And let me top that thing off right quick. Hold up. And bam, there you go, there you have it. The Travis Scott burger, 10 times better than McDonald's. Man, don't settle for no nasty McDonald's. I always say that. Why are you guys eating fast food? I mean, I know it's convenient on the go, but that stuff is nasty. Make it at home, make it 10 times better. We got our beautiful Travis Scott sandwich. We got our crispy French fries. We got our barbecue dipping sauce. And we got our Sprite. You cannot forget the Sprite, guys. It's a must to complete the meal. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys all enjoyed watching me make this juicy, behind burger. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys on the next one.